Hi everyone, it's Sarah here. I want to tell you about my classes coming up in 2025. I'm going to be teaching Learn Tabletop Constellations Level 1 for beginners and Learn Tabletop Constellations Level 2, Decoding Dreams. So these classes are sequential, meaning Level 1 starts January the 16th and goes for 6 weeks. And it's every Thursday morning, 10 to 11:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So that's California time. And then on March 13th, the level 2 starts, which focuses on decoding dreams. It's the same every Thursday morning, 10 to 11:30 Pacific Standard Time. And it's 6 classes. So there's 6 classes in each course. And let me just go into here. So this is on my website. I have a video at the top of the page. It tells you more information. And if none of you know what a tabletop is, it's a method of reflection, looking objectively at a situation, problem, and using objects as representations. So in this image, you see I have a little dinosaur, an egg shaker, a cougar, have an airplane here. I mean, you can use anything in a tabletop. That's the beauty of it. And then the table comes to life and you can reorganize the objects and then you'll get a different outcome. I'm really oversimplifying it, but it's it brings a lot of clarity because we're looking objectively and we're also working within the field, which means the knowing field. If you don't know about that, it's a field of energy that has information and what needs to be seen. Well, it's already in front of you. You can see it. And what needs to be seen reveals itself. Voila. Okay. It's that simple. It's very effective. It's what I do if people can't come here to do an on-site constellation with me, which I usually do with the horses. Then I work with people online. I do tabletop sessions online. I've been doing it for a long time, and you'd be amazed at what can happen within an hour. A lot. A lot can happen within an hour. And if you're already a therapist or if you're familiar with family constellation work, but Hellinger's work, why are you not doing tabletop? Tabletop is incredible. It's such a great addition to what you're already doing. You're not introducing anything. All the information is right in front of you. You just have to see it. And it's flabbergasting how things come through that, which leaves the person like, I had no idea. Okay, that's typical. And here you have the dates, and it's $2.99, or you can get two level 1 and level 2 for $5.49, so you get a $50 discount. And then you just have to fill out this form, submit it. I get it. I get back to you. You can also pay here. You can pay online. I have an online store, or you can pay to my Zelle or PayPal. And if you can't make the classes, I send out the recordings. You can download the recordings. And I work a lot of times with people like that because of time constrictions or whatever, busy schedule. So let me go to level 2. So basically level 1, yeah, is for beginners. And then we get to level 2. And this is really juicy. It's decoding dreams, right? So we set up a dream. Reoccurring dreams are really good for this because obviously there's something that you're not getting, that you're being told through this dream, hey, pay attention, you need to listen to what's going on, okay? And a constellation is a fantastic way of decoding the dream, right? And also, we can add on an ending, which is kind of like lucid dreaming. That's in the class 5, extending the dream and bringing the constellation to completion. Anyway, so here you have the classes, starts 3/13, March 13th, goes to April 17th. Same price, $2.99 or $5.49 for both. Fill out the form, submit, and that's it. You're in. Okay, I hope to see you next year. Be great. If you have any questions, I'll leave my contact in the description, and I'll also leave the links to the classes in the description. Thanks for watching.